This is a video presentation on multiplying binomials by Mathematically Marcia. We are going to use the acronym FOIL to multiply binomials. And FOIL stands for first. So we'll do multiply the two first terms. And then outer. So we'll multiply the two outside terms. And then inner, which means we'll multiply the two inside terms. And then last. We'll do the two last terms. And we'll show you with a couple examples what I mean. Okay, so what does first, outer, inner, last mean anyway? When we're multiplying binomials, that means we have two binomials, and a binomial means you have two terms. So here's a binomial, x and 4 are your terms, and here's our second binomial with x and 7 as our two terms. So when we say first, we mean the first term in each binomial. So in this case, that would be x and x because they came first. And then we multiply those together. X times x would be x squared. So far we have an x squared. Then we do the outer, and those are the two that are on the outside. And x times 7 would be 7x. And then we do the two terms that are inner. That would be 4 times x, which is 4x. And then we do the last, which is 4 times 7, or 28. Then we just need to go back and simplify or combine our two middle terms. So you have x squared plus 11x plus 28. Now we don't have any more like terms, so that would be my final answer. Usually your answer will be a trinomial or 3 terms. All right, let's look at another example. The first means the first in each binomial. So that would be 2x and x, which gives us 2x squared. Then we look at the 2 on the outside or the outer. 2x, now look at this as plus -4, which would give you -8x. And then the inner, also look at that as plus -3. So -3x. And the last, -3 times -4 is a positive 12. Let's fill these in down here. And then you have your two middle terms that will need to be combined. So our final answer is 2x squared, -8, -3, is -11x, plus 12. Okay, another example. We start with our first terms. That would be the 3x and the 2x because they come first in each binomial. 3x times 2x would be 6x squared. Then we do the outer. 3x times y would be 3xy. and the inner. Remember, this is plus a negative, so negative 4y plus or times 2x would be negative 8xy. And we typically, when you have two letters, want to put them in alphabetical order. Technically, the order doesn't matter, but for consistency and so that you can easily see your like terms, you want to try to be consistent on how you do it. Alright, and then we look for our last to be negative 4y and y, which give us negative 4y squared. Combine the middle terms. So 6x squared minus 5xy minus 4y squared. Okay, let's look at one more example. We'll start with the first again. So 2x and 3x gives us 6x squared. Then we look at the outer. Should be 10xy. 2x times 5x is 10xy. Then the inner. Remember, this is plus a negative, so negative y times 3x is minus 3xy. And the last, negative y times 5y minus 5y squared. Then we need to combine these middle terms. So 6x squared plus 7xy minus 5y squared. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel below. Like my video, share your comments, thoughts, questions, requests for future videos below, and thank you for watching.